Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video will feature some gorgeous short hair makeovers that'll make you want to chop off your hair. So if you are currently on the hunt for a brand new hairstyle and you're in need of some major hair inspiration, you've come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we see someone with some long copper colored hair. Ooh, she cut the hair into a nice chic bob style. Bit of a color change with this one as well. Nice tousled waves. She looks absolutely incredible. So next up we have a hair transformation on a little one. She has some very long hair, I'd say to about waist length or so. Now, of course, the name of this video is Short Hair Makeover, so we know that she is going to be doing a big chop and cutting her hair much shorter. So the stylist places the hair into a ponytail. And cuts it right off. Looks like she had a nice little shoulder length bob look. Now her hair still looks extremely healthy and full. And I'm sure that this is a much more maintained a style that she can maintain. Low maintenance look. Next up, we see someone with dark hair just past her shoulders. Ooh, she got some gorgeous color here. Beautiful face framing highlights. Curtain bangs. Wow, such a beautiful hair change. I love this color. I think that the hair shade really just brightened her up. Such a cute style. And then we see this really cute and chic shaggy pixie style. This is a very popular hair trend that we are seeing. Many different variations of the shag, and the pixie is getting in on the trend. Very cute. All right, you guys, so I'm going to leave you to check out these last few short hairstyle ideas.